Oh, hey, ready for the room tour? So, when you first walk in, you come right into this nice living room area. High top table. Just a love seat couch compared to my last hotel review, which had the full size. Nice bed with a dresser. Moving forward towards the bedroom, comes into a small little kitchenette area with a not stock mini bar. Classic mini fridge. Garbage can. Some empty cabinets, so it's not a fully stocked kitchenette. Behind this is going to be the bathroom. It's the rainfall shower. Once you step out of the bedroom or bathroom, leads into the bedroom. Another full-size king bed. This fancy chair. And the view leads out to, well, somebody else's apartments.
So the next time you're planning on staying in Halifax, consider staying at the Hilton DoubleTree in downtown. Now, the only complaint I had with this is the fact that the parking was off-site. Otherwise, it was a great stay. Now, if you like the content of this video, hit that like button. It really helps me know I'm bringing helpful and informative travel-related information to you. As well, consider subscribing for future videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays. And I'll see you all in the next one.